guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be doing a product review. That's why I'm in the bathroom, because we're going to be doing a wash day routine using a particular product. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not, share with comment. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica Tronobeck. So right here I'm called Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing hair growth ingredients, review, wash day routine, or water, leave-in condition, leave-in spray that will help you to promote your hair. Because me, I have been on a journey of mini braid for a year and I've seen a lot of amazing results. So if you're an OG, welcome to the channel. So if you are new, thank you so much for clicking on the video too. So let's get started in today's wash day routine, because it's a wash day routine using just one product, okay? Like one product, one brand. Yeah, I'll call it brand, one brand, yeah. The brand I'm going to be using is this Mega Growth Wash Day Combo Pack. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using for today's video. And yeah, this is my first time using this package like this. It's really, I love the fact that it's a wash day combo pack. So that is, say you have condition and shampoo. It's only condition and shampoo, you don't have any other stuff inside. So anyway, we're going to be checking out the back. The back says it's a break-free stimulating shampoo. Okay, strengthens and restore and repair. 3 steps to strengthen to stronger hair with Mega Growth. Okay, so I'm just reading what is being written at the back of this pack. Okay, so step 1, rinse your hair. Step 2, add shampoo. Step 3, wash out. That is for the shampoo. And for the condition is a detangling condition. Okay, so this condition is a detangling condition, and it's say hello to repair of damage and dry hair. So I'm going to be using this after this. The condition will be the after effect, because I already have their deep condition right here. So I'm using the deep condition as well. So what we'll do is that we wash, deep condition and condition. So I'm just going to be using these two products right here for my wash day routine. I'm not going to be adding any other thing in today's wash day, so just these two. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not, share with your comment. Let's open this. Infuses blend and natural oils and conditioning proteins. Okay, it strengthens, restore and repair. So it's a stimulating shampoo. Smell is not bad. It smells like sweet. It smells really, really nice. One thing, I love the smell of the shampoo. Okay, the smell is nice. It's really, really good. Okay, so it has aqua and the rest ingredients. It has sulfur inside. Sulfur. But anyway, we're going to be using this to wash my hair. And yeah, let's get started. Out of my shirt, and this is the packer I used to pack my hair. My hair is all sweating. I just finished my workout, so that is why my hair is all. So this is my hair. I braided this hair over a month ago, and I have not washed it for 1 month. I have been really, really busy, so I've not done tea. Yeah, I've not done tea. So I've been very, very busy. That's occupied my time. Okay, we are ego. But anyway, my hair is all sweaty and I want to wash it. So I'm going to be using the Mega Growth to wash. But first of all, I'm going to pour shampoo, condition, and deep condition. I love the after feeling because my hair is really soft right now, like very soft. Love it. So I'm going to be giving this a 8/10. I don't like giving perfect score, but I'll give it an 8/10. It's really amazing. If you've not tried the combo, try it out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share with comment. I want to go and try some. I'm done with my shower. I love the after feeling of my hair, and I'm going to be doing a tea which will come up in another video, how I create the tea so that I can moisturize my hair and seal it in as well. So I'll see you all in my next video. My hair is feeling. Ooh. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.